Perfectly cooked frozen ham, a comprehensive guide.
Welcome to our guide on cooking frozen ham. In this video, we're going to show you how to safely and deliciously cook a ham starting from its frozen state. The key to this process is patience, as cooking a ham from frozen will take more time than if it were thawed, but the end result can be just as delicious. Let's get started.
Why cook a ham from frozen?
Cooking a ham from its frozen state can save you a lot of time if you forgot to defrost it, or if you simply want to cook it directly from the freezer. It's important to remember that this process might take a little longer than usual, but don't rush it. Slow and steady wins the race here, ensuring that your ham will be evenly cooked and full of flavor.
Prepping the ham.
Before we start cooking, we'll need to prep the ham. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. You won't be able to score the ham while it's still frozen, but you can still add some flavor. Consider making a glaze to apply partway through cooking. Here's a simple glaze recipe. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Mix these ingredients together and set aside for later. This glaze will be brushed onto the ham during the last 45 minutes of baking to add a sweet and tangy flavor.
Cooking the ham.
Place your ham in a roasting pan. Cook the ham at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for roughly 22 to 26 minutes per pound if it's a bone-in ham, or 20 to 24 minutes per pound if it's a boneless ham. This is a little longer than you'd cook a defrosted ham, but remember, it's starting from frozen. Check the ham every hour to baste it with the juices that have collected in the bottom of the pan. This will help to keep the ham moist and flavorful. At about 45 minutes before the end of your cooking time, remove the ham from the oven, brush your prepared glaze over the top and sides of the ham, and return it to the oven.
Checking the temperature.
It's essential to ensure that the ham has reached the correct internal temperature before eating. Using a meat thermometer, check that the ham has reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. Insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham, avoiding the bone if your ham has one. And there you have it. You've successfully cooked a ham starting from its frozen state. While it might take a bit longer, the final result is just as tasty and satisfying. We hope this guide has been helpful and will aid you in your culinary endeavors. Happy cooking!